Hello, my lazy people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My lazy people, we don't carry another ogboge matter come again. Hey, breeze profile onyash open. Mabel brother don't finally come out explain wetin really happen between Mabel and Osifo. My people, I would like make una chill, make una enjoy this very video. Please don't forget to like and share, drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. My people, matter dey o, tori wo breeze bro everywhere open. Fowl nyash open anyhow. God bless you all. Like and share. Bye bye.
Mr. Osifo never rejected my sister. Mr. Osifo never rejected Mabel. It was Mabel who got tired of the relationship and kicked Elab out of the house for about 2 months. This guy was frustrated, left stranded in Austria before moving back to Italy. When he got to Italy, the guy felt like going back to Nigeria would be better for him. So he decided to call home. They sent him some money because he was left stranded. No money, nothing. The only thing he has is his bag. So they sent him money from Nigeria. This guy fly back home to continue his life. You know? So point of correction. And again, every single lie Sharon bring up on social media, I will come up and clear it up. Until you stop sending Sharon message. Otherwise, we'll continue to expose it. You got tired of this guy and you kicked him out of the house. In as much as this guy plead, but you said no. This guy called home and the parents start begging you. You said no. So the best thing you could do is to come back home. And the moment you heard that this guy is no longer in Europe, that is when all this drama started. So stop spreading fake news. Focus on your husband. Mabel, focus on your husband. Stop using agency. Because the more the agency come up to say something that is not clear, then I will come up on her and clear it off. And again, stop sending your siblings pictures. Even though we don't have any skeleton in the cupboard. Stop sending our pictures to Elab, telling him to start posting us on his page because you don't have family. But well, don't be surprised that I'm here. I will clear every single false information that you post online with Sharon. So, for God's sake, leave Mr. Elab and his family alone. Or possibly focus on him. Leave Osifo's family alone. Fight Mr. Elab, your husband. Leave your husband's family alone. Those people were innocent. When you guys started, Abigail Blessing, Mrs. Osifo and all, their dad was not there. You guys find love on each other and decided to continue loving each other. So if anything spoil, now don't grow rich. You guys are grown. You can handle your business by yourself. So the question to all the followers, all the KO family followers, the question to Mr. Elab Entertainment or whatsoever, the question you guys should be asking them is, who started this whole drama? Who came up on social media first? That person needs to be blamed. You know, that person needs to be blamed. Because it's husband and wife, they quarrel for years. They can even separate. This one will go the knock for one corner, the other one will go the knock for the other corner. At the end of the day, they will still come back together. I mean, it is not a news that people separate. So, if only you can just handle your business by yourself, why hiring a sales girl, a sales personnel to assist you for the small business where you get small store, you have a small shop, and you have a little goose inside, and you see they hire sales personnel to help you. This is something you should have settled by yourself, all alone, without any ear. I mean, it's even okay for you guys to even separate for 10 years, 20 years. Nobody will know. Then if they ask you, where is your husband? Oh, my husband traveled to Nigeria to take care of our business. We have a project going on. You can say that. Then when they ask your husband, where is your wife? Oh, my wife is taking care of the children in Europe. So I came here to handle one or two things. At the end of the day, you guys will settle it. Right? That is how it should be done. He's not your baby mama. I mean, yes, he's not your baby mama and he's not your baby daddy. You understand? So, it's husband and wife issue. Now, small that they put mouths. You understand? But you escalated it because you needed money, you wanted more followers, and you got what you wanted. From 1.7 million followers to 1.8. So, you got what you wanted. I think it's enough. And it's time for you to stop all this whole drama. Pretending like you are the saint, you are the good person in there. So, you remember, in case people don't know, all the KO family follow, in case you guys don't know, they both have a blood covenant. A blood covenant that they will not leave each other. So the person who started this thing needs to be blamed. You understand? So, the gods are not to blame. But sometimes, the gods needs to be questioned. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what you wanna think about this video when Mabel brother take come and talk wetin really happen? Say no be Osifo purposely comot by himself. Say na Mabel na him pursue am. My people, no fail to like and share and also drop your opinion. God bless.